Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can design the next version of iPhone based on your preferences with Neil Fun. So here we go. This is a games, not a real iPhone. So no need be smart to become a technician or engineer of iPhone. Just this like how you can kill your boredom. You can access Neil.fun. This is games and other stuff that you can try, and one of the game is design the next iPhone. So you can click this. Here we go, design the next iPhone. You can drag and drop items onto your phone, onto your iPhone, this one. So here let's start with add logo. Even there is Android logo here, so let's put in, sorry for the lag. And here you can add a cup holder. Let's put in Pro Wheel. You wanna go right with your phone. Even you can add a joystick, peer logo. So let's combine. So again, this is for fun, no need to be serious. Even you can put HDMI on the monitor or on the LCD. I mean, if you mess up, you can try to reset. There's a chopper blade here, so you can present by click the present, and you can download the video here. And there's a price here, and there is so this is fun. So you can access you can design your own iPhone on the Neil.fun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.